Hello? Is this thing on? Yep, it is. Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to be playing Get a Snack at 4 a.m. Snackcore. Now, I have played the original Get a Snack at 4 a.m. before, and this is made by the same developer, and, well, I have played the original game before, but I haven't recorded on camera because I played it back when I didn't even have a YouTube channel. So here I am playing, I think, a better version of it. It's Get a Snack at 4 a.m. Snackcore. A big thanks to LankyFox for inspiring me to play this game. So let's just get the volume to 2 and okay. Hold on. Okay, there's no music off thing. Let's play. Wake up. Thank you for beta testing Get a Snack at 4 a.m. Please note, this game is still in beta. There may be bugs. Alright. Objective. Get a snack at 4 a.m. Okay. How to play. Get a snack at 4 a.m. Click item to pick up. You can only pick up one item because you have small hands. Objective. Get a snack at 4 a.m. Get different endings. A game made by Sticks. Hold on. I remember this gun from the first game. Well, yeah. From the first Get a Snack at 4 a.m. game. It's supposed to take this long because you're hesitating to pick it up or to not. And because it's like, no, it's not glued to the floor. If it was, then there would be glue marks on the floor and glue marks on the gun, and the gun would work. And I remember in the first game that when you picked up the gun, it would disappear out of your hands, and it would say like or something like that, and it wouldn't be an ending at all, and you just wasted your time. Hopefully, this one is actually an ending. Alright, guys. I'm gonna be able to pick up this gun very soon. Let's do this. Do. Huh? The gun is super good. Oh, that's why. Okay. The gun's super glued. Wait, can I take the sword? Oh, I can. Okay. Yeah, don't try it. Seriously, don't try this. Yeah, I know. Okay. Sword. Wait, what? I didn't have to rejoin? Cool. There's still one other ending in here. Toothpaste. As the toothbrushing ending. Psych.
I don't feel so good.
It's the toothpaste ending where you eat toothpaste. Seriously, don't eat toothpaste. Don't eat toothpaste. Yeah, even the game knows. This is like nostalgia for me. What's that red thing? What's that red thing? Oh. Alright. Breakfast machine. Okay.
Yummy.
The sandwich. Wait, what?
What was that sandwich? Killed them all? Good idea! He's nice.
Ending. Sandwich. Huh? Don't touch his sandwich. Okay. Is there anything else I can combine? Oh, there's an orange here.
Yummy.
Hey, yo, it's Whoa, back again with another game of
Oh no!
Ooh, looks like we are going to play a game called Get a Snack at 4 a.m. Whoa! Oh, good thing it's not at 3 a.m. That's when all the creepy stuff happens, right? Okay.
Oh god, it's annoying orange.
39,000. Well, thank you. I appreciate it. It's me.
That was the annoying orange ending. Alright. So, I saw like one of the endings from Blinky Box video. I saw you can get 32 separate endings from this machine alone, but they all only give you each one trophy. So I'm gonna dedicate a whole nother video to that thing, but I will do one of the combinations in this video.
Yummy.
Chips in there. Okay. Bloxy color, which is blue. How about human head? Okay, I will take Bloxy color. Epic breakfast! A breakfast for gamers. Yeah, bag of chips and soda. Don't mix them. I also saw, yeah, and you know what? I'm not gonna say that one because it doesn't have to do with helping me getting any of these endings. You know what? I'm gonna say it. Turns out Lanky Box actually combined the chips with the toothpaste instead of getting the soda in there because they didn't know you could open the fridge. Alright, now I'm gonna have to start going outside for these endings. Or do I? I think there's one more. No. Yeah, it's in here. Oh, you can't jump in this game. I'm trying. Get out of here. Unofficial ending. Wake up that. Oh, it's an unofficial one. Right. Well, I don't think I should be getting any of the unofficial ones. Because, yeah, I don't think it increases the percentage. And it doesn't even give you any trophy. Oh, it's raining in game. I thought it was raining in real life. Now the only reason is to come into that bathroom is to like get all that money. I had to check again if it was raining. Yep, it's raining in game. I have to check my ears again to see if it was raining in the game or in real life. Huh? Dialogue test. Test. Okay. Wait. Sky? Welcome to a generic convenience store. Talk to me if you want to buy something. Huh? No. What? It disappeared out of my hands. Okay. Why did that thing still say that number? Krabby Patty. Plankton? No! I'm not giving that Krabby Patty. Pat. Wait, what happened? Wait, what happens if I shoplift with the patty? Will I get both endings? I'm gonna try that. Four? Okay. 1 Robux is 5. 1 ticks is 1. Wait, why am I even collecting money? Shoplifting. Huh? Oh, for a second I thought that said error. Got patty? Oh. Oh, come on. You should buy the item first. Okay. I know. I just wanted the ending. What the heck? It's in a roar. What happened to the clock? What happened to the clock? It says it's either 12 a.m. or 12 p.m. It's not daytime right now. If you looked at it from this angle, it looked like it would be daytime. Holy cow, what is going on? Is daytime? Or is it nighttime? It looks like it's daytime. But why are the stars out? I think it is an aurora, or whatever it's called. This is so weird. You look here and like, oh, it's daytime. And you look at the sky and it's like, oh, it's nighttime. Then you look at part of the sky. Wait, what? It's daytime. Nighttime. Wait, what? This makes no sense. Is this the game's way of showing evening time or something? I'm so confused. I am so confused. Wait, do confused and confuzzled mean the same thing? I don't know. This vending machine is in need of help right now. I'm just gonna give it some sodas. Oh, there's money right here. Then there's money over here. I got $100. Don't I get a badge for that? A badge for getting over $100? No badge? Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna close. Oops. There you go. Oh, sorry. I went the wrong way. Holy moly, guys. This has almost been a 30-minute recording. I'm gonna have to stop this when I get the soda flood ending. So yeah. And now I can shoplift since this guy's on break. The vending machine appears to be happy. Okay, well guys, I'm gonna have to end the video here. Oh, wait, I can get the freezer ending. I'm just gonna get the freezer ending and end it off here. The door's stuck. I know. Why is this so much smaller than the previous game? Ending. Freezer. You're in a walking freezer and the door's locked. Well, that's gonna have to be it for today's video. See you guys next time. Bye!